Bring a table from a website into Excel. And this is the table that we'd like to bring through. We would be tempted to do this. Simply select, copy, open Excel, and paste. Then we spend the rest of the day trying to resize the columns. Then we'll have to come back and do the formatting. Meh. There is a better way. So let's undo this and find out how to bring that data from the table within the website straight into our Excel spreadsheet. So going back to the website, the important thing is we need to copy the URL address. Back in Excel, click on the Data tab and choose From Website or From Web. Yes, there's such a button. And then we're going to paste the URL address, Control V, and OK. Now a quick flash of a notification, but what that was saying basically, it's establishing a connection with that website. So here is where we choose our table. So you click on the table that you want and then confirm from the preview, then load. And this is where the magic happens. It's importing the actual table. So you got formatting already done. You've even got the filters. Magic. So remember data and then from web. Thank you for watching.